Good afternoon, my dear student. Once again, I am here to run the same classes of class 9 subject compulsory mathematics, and we are in the simultaneous equation. Yesterday, we have discussed about the definition of the simultaneous equation and then elimination substitution method, how to solve the simultaneous equation at first. If two unknown quantities are given there, and in class 9, yesterday I have already told you that in class 10 we are going to make the equation or simultaneous equation from the word problem, yes, and then we will solve them by elimination, either by elimination or substitution, yes. And what we are not going to use the graphical one, yes. And now for the first question number, look that I have listed here two questions are here. For the first number, it is given that the sum of two numbers is 50. Sum is, that is plus, yes. The sum of two numbers is 50 and we don't know the two numbers, yes. That is the first condition. And the second condition, the largest number is 10 more than the smallest number, yes. The largest number is 10 more than the smallest number. Find the number, yes. And we are going to do that for the first number. Look the solution over here. We are going to do first number solution, yes. First of all, we have to let the two numbers, yes. Let the two numbers, let the two numbers be x and y. X is greater than y respectively, yes. X and y, yes or no? Let the two numbers be x and y. X is greater than y, so no need to write this respectively, yes. Up to this only, that is sufficient, yes. Now x and y, we let the two numbers, and by the first condition it is given that the sum of two numbers is 50. Sum is plus, so by first condition, yes, by first condition, sum of two numbers, and two numbers are x and y, so their sum become 50. This is our first equation, yes. Similarly, for the second one, it is given that the largest number is 10 more than the smallest number, and x is the largest, x is greater than y, that means what? X is the largest number, and this x is 10 more than the y. Oh, then by second condition, yes, by second condition, x is greater than smallest by y, and we can write like that, no? X is greater than y by 10, that means what? In y, yes, we have to add 10. Then only this x become equal to that, no? Yes, so it is our one. Second equation. Now we have the value of x equals to y plus 10, and we can use what? Substitution method directly, yes. So solving. So don't do that. Putting the value. Putting the value of x equals to y plus 10 in equation first, we get, yes, so we get what? Y plus 10 plus y equals to 15, yes or no? We put in place of x, we put y plus 10, yes. Now, so y plus y, we get 2y, and this 10 is plus here, then that side will become minus. 50 minus 10, yes. 2y equals to 40, yes or no? And this y, this 2 is multiplied, this side then it become divided. So we get what? Y equals to 40 by 2, yes, and then y equals to 20. That is, we get the value y equals to 20. Yes. Now, to get the value of x, put this value y equals to 20 in equation second, either in second or first. No, wherever we like. Yes. So let's put the value. Putting the value y equals to 20. Yes. In equation second student. Yes. In equation second, x equals to what? 20 plus 10. We get what? 30. That is 30 is the number. So we get the value of x and y. X equals to 30 and y equals to 20. Therefore, lastly we have to write the conclusion. Therefore, the value or the two number. Yes. Sorry. Therefore, the two numbers are 30 and 20. Yes? Yes or no? Let's look that. If you put in equation first and equation second, both these two values, then they satisfy. We can check them easily, If our answer is wrong or right, we can check that by putting the value. Put that x equals to 30, y equals to 20. 30 plus 20, we get 50. First one is satisfied. Similarly, second one. X equals to 30, y equals to 20 plus 10, we get 30. That means second also satisfied. So this is our. So our two numbers are 30 and 20. Yes. In this way, we can solve if the two unknown numbers are there, then we have to let them at first and we have to look the condition. Yes. First condition, what is given there? If here it is difference, then we minus that, x minus 1. Sum is there, then we add them. Yes. Similarly for the second condition or by the second condition, and then we are using the what? Substitution method. Yes. Now we are going to do the question second one. Yes. This is the first number. Yes. We are going to do the solution for the second number. And in the second number, first of all, we have to know that, yes, this is the ages about the father and the son, yes, mother and daughter and father, yes, and similarly mother and son. If such types of the question are there, then we have to compare the age, yes, and on the basis of, yes, for the age we have to think that we have to know at first, which I have already written here. Yes, look that ago and before. If the age are in the form, suppose in the second number 2 years ago is here, no? So this is the type of condition. So ago and before condition is there, then we keep minus in the present age. Yes, yes or no? We have to minus that age with the present age, and if there is hence, later and after is there, then we plus that age with present age, which we let the present age and so we are going to do on the basis of that. Ago and before minus, hence, later and after, that is plus in the condition. So for the second number, we are going to solve that. Yes, second number solution. Yes, for the second number solution is that means what? We are going to find the present age of father and son. So let that first. Let the present age of father, age of father and son be x and y respectively. Yes, we learned it. Yes, at first. And now for by the first condition. In the first condition, it is given that 2 years ago. Yes, 2 years ago. Ago means minus. Now we are going to do minus in this present age. This is for father. This is for son. X for father, Y for son. Yes. So 2 years ago, father age was 9 times the son's age. Yes. So by first condition, first condition, yes, we can make the equation that father, yes, and son, that is the. Now it is given that 2 years ago, so ago means what? -2. We do like this, yes or no? And it is given that 9 times the sun set, that means 9 times of the sun net. So we have to multiply with 9. X minus 2 equals to 9 into y minus 2, and make it into the simple form. X minus 2 equals to 9y minus 18. That is another, yes. And then we can make x equals to 9y. This is minus over here. This side then it become plus, minus 18 plus 2. So we get what? X equals to what? 9y minus 16. Suppose this as the first equation. Yes? Yes or no? Now, up to this, that means first line we have completed at the first condition. Now for the second condition, it is given that but 3 years later, later means what? We have to plus the age with present age. 3 years we have to plus with the present age. 3 years later it will be 5 times only. Yes. So by second condition, yes, by second condition, that means 3 years later, x and y, 3 years later, so 3 years later, yes, and this father is only 5 times, so we have to multiply this sum as with 5. We get like this. Yes, let's simplify that. X plus 3 equals to 5y plus 15. That is another. So we get what? X equals to 5y. Yes, or eliminate. This is the first, and put this x in equation this. No, we can directly put that. Suppose this as the. I believe that. So plus 15 minus 3 we get another. Here it is plus. This side then it become minus. So we get what? X equals to 5y plus 12. This is our second equation. Yes. This is other. Now look that in equation first, x equals to 9y minus 16. Yes. And equation second, x equals to 5y plus 12. That means what? In first also, in second also, we get the value of x. Yes. So we can equate them under. X equals to x, that is obviously equal. Yes. So that means what? Equating or solving, right? Solving equation first and second we get, yes, that means what? 9y minus 16 equals to 5y plus 12. Now variable term to one side and constant to the next side. Yes. Now 5y is here. When this come to this side, then it become minus 5y. Yes. And this minus 16 goes this side, then it become plus 60. So it become 9y minus 5y equals to 12 plus 60. That is another. And now 9y minus 5y means that is what? 4y equals to, and we get this 2 plus 6 8 and 1 1 2. So we get 28. And put r over here. Yes, r and r. Now 4 is multiplied this side, then it become divide. So 28 by 4. Yes, and we get lastly the value y equals to 28 means what? 7 4 7 then 28. That is in the arrow. Yes, we have to write the word unit. Don't forget that. That is the bit important also. We have to know that is the year or not, that is the number or not. While checking the copy, when check the copy, they use the word unit at first. Yes. Now just we get the value y equals to 7 here. Now we are going to find, yes, I will do here, do that. Yes, we are going to find the value of x now. Put the value of y equals to 7 either in first or in second, wherever we like. Yes, so we putting the value of y equals to 7 here in equation first. Let's put that. We get what? X equals to 9 into 7 minus 16. We get what? 9 7, that means what? 63 minus 16. Now 63 minus 16. Here it is 3. So it becomes 13. 13 minus 6, we get what? 7. And then 5 is remain. 5 minus 1, we get what? 40. We get that is what? 47 years. That is the value of x. So lastly we have to add the conclusion. Therefore, the present ages of father and son is 47 years and 7 years respectively. We get this answer. Yes. Now look that if now check that these two, the father age is 47 and son age is 7 years, is satisfied both equations are not across. Now value of x 47, when we subtract 2 then we get 45. Yes. And similarly 7 equals to 9 into 7 minus 2, we get 500. 9 5 is 45. First condition is satisfied. Yes, similarly for the second condition. Look the second condition. 47, in 47 we add 3, then we get 50. Yes, 5 times, in 7 we are going to add that, then we get 10. That is satisfied. So we can check the answer. No? That means our solution or the age of present age of father and son is 47 and 7 years respectively is true. No? We can easily check our problem also. Yes. So due to insufficient time, just we finish up to 2 and remaining this third one we will do in the next classes. No? Thank you for watching this video.